In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine air filter on this Honda Accord. If you need any parts for your car, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. Under the hood, on the driver's side, right next to the battery, you'll find the air filter housing. To remove it, we have to do a couple different things. First is to remove the intake piece here. Sometimes it's got a clamp that you have to unthread with a socket, and sometimes it's a spring like this that just holds pressure on it. With that set aside, let's remove the 4 8mm headed screws that hold the top of the airbox down onto the bottom. There's one here, mine's broken, and another one on each corner. The screws don't come out completely. They do stay held onto the top of the airbox, so once you unscrew them, just give them a few turns and that's it. With those out, you should be able to lift the top of the airbox up and out. Set it aside, and underneath you'll see your engine air filter. Lift it up, flip it over, and as you can see, this one is extremely dirty. With the old engine air filter out, clean up any debris that might be down here. Mine's pretty good, so I'm just going to set the new air filter down into the box here. Make sure it's going the right way with the larger area facing down, and you want the seal right up on top here. Take the top of the airbox and line it up. Sometimes it's easiest to install if you just push this back on and line it up on the bottom half, and of course line up all the screws. I'm going to try and start them in to make sure that they're actually lined up. Looks like they're all starting, so that's good. When you tighten these up, don't go more than about 1/8 of a turn after they bottom out. They're small, they're just threading into an insert that's held onto plastic, so you don't want to break them. That's bottomed out right there. Give it a little extra, and that's it. We'll repeat the process for all the other ones. That's it, just 1/8 of a turn extra. Okay, and my fourth one is broken, unfortunately. At this point, make sure that this intake tubing is seated properly, which it is, so I'm good to go there. There you have it, engine air filter is replaced. I hope this video is helpful. If you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.